One of the first stages of creating a WordPress theme is to break up our sections of our website into their own WordPress folders. At the moment, we created the 4 folders in the last video, which is going to hold the header, the footer, the sidebar. We also created one for the functions, but we also have the index.php too, which at the moment just contains our content from our Bootstrap template. So let's get to work with taking our content into their own separate files. We'll begin with the header. So if we scroll down to the closing header tag, which is this one here, select all the way up to the doc type. I'm going to cut this out and then paste this content into the header.php. Breaking up our code into smaller files like this is a really convenient way of doing things, rather than having this header hard-coded into every single page. WordPress will just have it in one single file and then inject it into each page as required. We can also go back to our index and do the same for the footer down at the bottom. So scroll down to our footer section. We can cut this section out all the way down to the bottom, including the HTML. Paste this into our footer.php. Now, if we save this and reload the browser on our index, we see we just have the content which is placed in between. We no longer have the header and footer. To put these back into our theme, we need to go into the index page where we want to add these in. Up at the very top, in place of the header content, we can open up the PHP tags, which is the left angle bracket, question mark, PHP. And then we can use a WordPress function to pull in this header. And this WordPress function is called get_header with the brackets just afterwards. Since we are now coming back out of PHP and then into regular HTML, we need to close off our PHP tags with the question mark and the angle bracket just like this. Then we do a very similar thing at the bottom in place of our footer. Where our footer was, we enter the PHP. We use a WordPress function, this time called getFooter, and then close off our PHP. Save this and reload the browser. And it still doesn't look like much, but our content is back in place. We have the header section. Down at the bottom, we have our footer, and this is all fine for now. Over in the functions.php, we can begin to work with this by adding a comment at the top. This is going to be a PHP comment, so let's open and close the PHP brackets. We start a comment with / and star. Then we close this off with the reverse, which is star and then /, and then a star for each new line. This is going to be a description of the file, and I'm just going to add function definitions for Tranquil Spa theme. Since this file is Shouldn't see anything different inside the browser once we reload, since we haven't done anything other than break up this content into separate files. However, this is an important first step into creating our WordPress theme, and now we'll move forward onto working with the header and footer files.